I've looked at history books because people were sending me messages as a well-respected intellectual platform that we should discuss the exclusion of Igbo history in Nigeria's secondary school curriculum. I am a very thorough person, and most importantly, I left secondary school over 20 years ago. I have removed my eyes from secondary school, and even while I was in secondary school, I was a science student. In the university, I was also a science student. I had no business going back to secondary school stuffs. Art, for that matter. That I look at art is based on my passion and interest, not because it is what I studied in school. So, I decided to look into the matter. I went and started searching for books. I went from one bookshop to another. I was looking for the book called Living History, because that is the book they were circulating, that the Nigerian government is using to teach, and that it doesn't have Igbo history in it. I couldn't find the book. Why? I asked them, why is the book not available? Is this not the book they are using in school? They said no. That is not the book recommended for our secondary schools. Matter of fact, that the book recommended for secondary schools is Spectrum. They went and looked for the book and they gave it to me. They said, the books are very expensive. I said, no problem, I would like to buy them. How much is it? They told me. He said, which class do I want to buy? I said, I want for junior secondary. They said, there's none for junior secondary. That you have to buy for JSS 1, JSS 2, JSS 3. That is junior secondary. Then if you want to buy for senior secondary, SS1, SS2, SS3. And these books are quite expensive. It's okay. Let's start from the basic. Give me from JSS 1. Let me read. And I picked up the book. The book they were criticizing, that it does not contain Igbo history, even has some mentions of Igbo history in it. This one that I picked up, in the cover alone, has nothing at all of Igbo except the photographs of